Hi, I'm Jim Ward. I'm the attorney and founder of StraightTalkDivorce.com. This is a company that I started upon the urging of several friends, former clients, and other attorneys to help people get through their divorce at a lower cost and with less stress and less time. I work with people to let them know how the laws of California apply to the particular facts of their case. What are the odds of getting what you want? How will the law consider what you're saying? How long do you want to spend in your divorce? You have to consider, do you want it to drag out or not? It could be 2, 4, 5, 10 years. If you think that going 10 years will set a new record, you're wrong. Other people have already taken longer than that. My personal opinion is the way to approach divorce, I use the rip off the Band-Aid technique. You want to get it over with, get on with your life. Move ahead. You don't want to be dwelling on the divorce forever. I've seen people who are already divorced with the marital part, remarried, have new kids, and they're still every year fighting over the assets on their first marriage because they never finished the property settlement. Don't put yourself in that situation. So as far as how to get a divorce, look first at, do you really want a divorce? Before you step into the arena, make sure that that's what you really want. Second, know your financial position, know your spouse's financial position, and also know what you have together in the way of community assets. Third, educate yourself on the divorce laws of California and how they apply to the particular facts of your case. That's where Straight Talk Divorce comes in. And number 4, go at it with both eyes open, an alert mind, and one hand firmly grabbing your wallet. Protect yourself. If you get emotional, if you get irrational, if you ask for things that you can't get, you're going to spend a lot of money. And there's a lot of attorneys that are there lined up, ready and waiting to take your money and put it in their wallet. Be careful about that. So those are the ideas that we work with. There's a lot of information on our website. And you have to ask yourself, when you go through this and you start going through, are you being realistic? The other consideration is your spouse being realistic. Almost everyone will tell you that it's all my spouse's fault. They're not being realistic. That's why we also have, in addition to individual consultations, we do couples mediation on video conferencing and on telephone conferencing. So if we do a couples mediation on video, you don't need to be in the same room or the same house. We can do it with you in different locations. So you have to realize if your spouse is fighting for something that they can't get, that's going to create a lot of stress and extra cost for you as well. Maybe your spouse isn't really fighting for it, but their attorney is. And the attorneys have got each of you in the spot where you aren't talking to each other. When you don't talk to each other, you don't know what the attorneys are doing. You have to look at the fact that no matter how bitter or angry you are today, at one point, in theory, you loved your spouse, you got married, you did whatever together, whether it's just buying a house, accumulating assets, or starting a family. Let's try and keep some of that together as far as not spending all your money on attorneys. Keep the money to spend on yourselves, whether it be for recreation or for therapy, or spend that money on your kids. But let's not just pour it down the drain needlessly. Concentrate on where reality is and where the reality is of your case. That's what we'll help you with. Go to the website, StraightTalkDivorce.com, read the information, book an appointment to talk to me. Thank you.